Friends, life is a journey filled with twists, turns, highs, lows, surprises, and lessons. Each of us is traveling on a unique path, and while our roads may look different, the purpose of the journey is the same: to grow, to learn, to overcome, and to become the best version of ourselves. When we think about life as a journey, we realize that it is not about rushing to the destination. It is not about how fast we run, how much wealth we collect, or how many achievements we gather. Life is about the experiences along the way, the people we meet, the challenges we face, and the lessons we gain. Think about a journey on a long road. Sometimes the path is smooth, and the scenery is beautiful. At other times, the road is rough, full of bumps, and maybe even storms. In the same way, our lives are filled with seasons of joy, peace, and blessings, and seasons of pain, hardship, and struggle. But remember this: it is the difficult seasons that make us strong, the struggles that shape our character, and the challenges that prepare us for greater victories. Friends, too often we compare our journey with someone else's. We look at their success, their progress, their blessings, and we begin to feel left behind. But let me remind you today, your journey is yours alone. Do not compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 10. Every journey has its timing. Just because you haven't reached where you want to be yet doesn't mean you are not on the right path. Trust the process. Walk your journey faithfully, step by step, and in time, you will arrive at the place you were meant to be. On this journey, we will fall. We will stumble. We will even fail. But failure is not the end, it is a part of the journey. Every failure teaches us something new. Every fall gives us the strength to rise higher. Friends, do not fear failure. Fear giving up. As long as you keep moving, even with small steps, you are still moving forward. And here is something beautiful: life's journey is not meant to be walked alone. Along the way, you will meet people, some will encourage you, some will challenge you, and some may even hurt you. But every person plays a role in your journey. Value the ones who walk with you. Learn from the ones who oppose you. Forgive the ones who hurt you. Together, they all shape your story. So, my dear friends, walk this journey with courage. Walk with hope. Walk with faith. Do not let yesterday's mistakes stop you from today's progress. Do not let fear of tomorrow steal today's joy. Every step you take matters. Every moment counts. In the end, life is not measured by how far you went but by how well you lived, how much love you gave, and how many lives you touched. So, embrace your journey. Live it with purpose. And no matter how hard the road may be, keep moving forward, because the best is yet to come. Thank you.